Welcome to Breadwinner for Xero. Once you connect Breadwinner to your Xero org, you will be able to see in Salesforce all of the invoices and credit memos that have ever been created just by clicking on the Invoices tab. Now let's take a look at an open invoice. You can see the line item and the total amount and the invoice number. Now let's take a look at a paid invoice. You can see the status of the invoice, the date it was paid, the payment transaction, and the Salesforce account that this invoice is linked to. You can see all of the invoices that have ever been issued for this company, and when you click on details, you will find cumulative information and a visual summary of the various total invoice amounts, including how long an invoice has been overdue. Now let's see how easy it is to create an invoice from within Salesforce. A lot of people will create an invoice from the opportunity, but you can also create an invoice from orders, account, and any custom or standard object. Many will also create the invoice from the Salesforce opportunity products, but you can also do so without products. In this case, let's create an invoice from the opportunity. Start by clicking on New. You can create a new Xero contact or use an existing contact, as Breadwinner will pull in all existing contacts associated with a Salesforce account. You can choose your preferred sales terms. Let's create that approved invoice in Xero. You can see that the opportunity products have turned into line items. Now you have the option to either download the invoice as a PDF or send the invoice PDF as an email. There you go, you have sent the invoice PDF as an email directly to the client from within Salesforce. This invoice will be reflected back into Xero. To edit the invoice, you do that in Xero, and within minutes, it will be updated back into Salesforce. Thank you.